Nushra, what do you want to... sorry, wait for a while. What's the name of your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite restaurant? Describe it.
My favorite restaurant is Van Villa because I love those
Vegetarian
that kind of food. Yeah, that kind of foods I love it. So that's why.
Yeah, Vani Villa. So you love vegetarian food. Yes, that is one of my favorites. What is the strangest food you have ever eaten?
Strangest food mean, what is the meaning of that?
Strangest means a kind of different food. Something like mushroom or some cuttlefish.
Yeah.
So any strangest?
I ever eaten the cuttlefish also. I don't like it. That's it. That's a food.
That's a different food. Okay. And would you like to be a farmer and grow food? If you prefer to be a farmer, what's the reason? And if you don't want to be a farmer, what's the reason?
I would like to be a farmer because we can do with nature, that's good feeling.
Yeah.
We can grow a food to give everyone, so that is satisfaction is also very good.
Yeah, when we grow our own food, we have the real satisfaction and happiness, and also when someone eats our food, we feel like, wow, it's really nice.
That's feel very good.
That's it, very good. Okay, would you no, how was food different 100 years ago?
That time only the leaves,
Fresh.
the nature foods.
Yeah, nature food, very good.
That is good.
Yeah, so 100 years ago, completely, we had nature foods and complete organic food. There is no pesticide, there is no any chemical added food. So that's the reason our forefathers, grandmothers, grandfathers, ancestors, they lived.
Now still healthy.
Yeah, truly, still they are, by the God's grace, they are healthy. Still they are very strong. We cannot compare ourselves with them. Really good.
Suddenly we going to somewhere we going to hitching also, it's so paining. So
yeah, that's true.
Generation like that.
Yeah, that's true. Do you think tea and coffee are good for you? Why and why not?
I think coffee is my favorite. So it's good. If I get coffee, I feel hungry.
Very good. Yeah. So energetic. You feel energetic. Yeah. Very good. Very good. So Nushra, you are from batch 2, right? Yes, that is what it's written.
Yeah,
batch 2, number 7. I'm really happy. Your confidence level is seriously it's increased, and the batch 1 Nishantini and batch 2 you both of you are miraculously have improved. So when you are at the end of the course, I feel like wow, super, because the way you two are responding is really nice. Okay, really admirable, not showing like you do not.
Now I am ready to. Sorry.
So have you ever spoken English confidently like this before?
Actually, I know some spoken like this because I don't know to talk with others. At office also we are talking in Tamil. So this is the time I'm talking in English with you. So I'm also very happy.
Seriously.
Is so important.
Oh. Seriously, I feel like you have practiced before and you are improved, but I know the level how you are maintaining, but seriously, it's really it's improved well. Okay, so yeah, both of you impressed me a lot. Thank you. Okay, I'm moving forward to shall I ask Fazmia? Your name is at the top. Fazmia, are you ready?
Yes, still.
Okay, I'll ask you, what do you usually eat for lunch?
I eat red rice and beef. Anyone?
Red
Fish
rice,
or-
beef, rice and curry. You prefer? Yes.
rice and curry.
Rice and curry. Very good. What's your favorite drink? How often do you drink it?
I like fruit juice. And how often do you drink lemon juice?
How often? Often means like how many times a day, or regularly, or just once a day, or twice a day, like
Once a week. Once a week.
Once a week you are having fresh juice. Okay. So do you like shopping at supermarket? If you like, why? If you don't like, what's the reason?
I like go food city. But supermarket I'm not going. Oh, kaca-kaca. I don't like. Kaca-kaca is coming, no, not like. I go to food city.
Food city.
I like
But
food
the food
city,
city is a
taste
supermarket.
market,
Actually, that is also a supermarket. But the place where you saying it's a general market. No, you are saying general market. No, you don't like to go. Like in Peta.
Yes, yes.
That is a general market. But food
Yeah,
city, Loves, and certain places they all are supermarkets. So you can say you love to go. You love to go to the supermarkets because you don't like the normal, ordinary markets because of the sounds and you don't like the crowded place, no? Right. Noisy. Yeah, noisy. Yeah, very good. And also, Sana Nerisal, crowded and congested. Nirukkamana. So you can say congested place, noisiest place you don't prefer. Okay, very good. So, give some, and tell me, why do you like to go to a supermarket? Like, as you said, Food City and Loves, you like to go no? Why? What's the reason?
Everything can easier to
Buy at once.
buy and easy.
Yeah, buy easily. Everything can be bought easily and also buy at once. Very good. And also we can select all our things peacefully, happily.
Peaceful.
Yeah, peacefully. Yes, very good. Do you like, give some examples of junk food. What's your favorite junk food?
My favorite junk food, burger.
Burger bun.
Burger. Of junk food, give some examples.
Junk foods, pizzas, pasta, and we know we have some burger buns, submarines. Yeah.
Give some examples of junk food only.
You can, all what I said, all what I have mentioned is the junk food. Example, adukku junk food kono udaharanangal like pasta, buns, pizza, all these. Okay, right. What's your favorite? You said no, your favorite junk food. Why do you want to drink? What do you want to drink after class?
After class, I drink tea.
You want to drink tea. Okay, very good. Okay, so that's okay. That's cool. I really like your answers, and you are a student of batch 4, right? And the level, oh yeah, you are level batch 3. Yeah, you are also responding well. You are listening the questions and you are responding. That confidence is the matter. I really like it. Okay, right? Thank you. Okay, tell me, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat for my breakfast cereal.
Cereals, very good. So healthy food. What's your favorite food? How often do you eat it? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is seafood fried rice.
How often?
My favorite food is seafood fried rice. Twice a month I eat it.
You eat twice a month. Okay, you have it twice a month. Very good. What kinds of food do you know how to cook? Are you a good cook?
I know non-veg and vegetarian foods to cook. Of course, I am a good cook.
Of course. So I want to try one day. Okay. So give some examples of healthy food. Do you think you eat enough healthy food?
Healthy foods are vegetables, fruits, eggs, hot meals, cereals, fish.
So do you think you eat enough of them? Are you eating them?
Not at all time.
Not at all the time. Okay, right. So what do you want to eat after class? After the session, what are you going to eat?
I am going to take my dinner.
Yes, very good. Yeah, it's a dinner time, so you're going to have your dinner. Okay, right. So thank you, Nisha. Thank you. So thanks for your level of confidence is really increased, and all you have given the complete answer. Very good. Okay, so next person is Nushra. Shall I ask a question, Nushra? The question is ready. What are you hungry now? Why? Why not? Are you hungry?
Yes.
Yes. So,
My dinner time.
uh-huh.
So now I am hungry.
So what do you want? What do you prefer to eat?
Yeah, I need first and curry.
Yeah, Fazla, I cannot hear you. Just little increase your volume or keep your speaker closer. Right. So next one. Yeah. What are some famous foods in your country? Actually, in your country, if you are living in Sri Lanka, you can say, or if you are living in abroad, you can talk about it. So do you like them and describe them? Famous food.
I am a Sri Lankan.
Huh.
I have a lot of traditional food in my country, and I like all the food.
You like all the food.
Especially
So
our Sri Lankan food and coconut sambal.
yeah. Cold roti, coconut sambal and chili paste. So and describe them. So if I ask you to describe, you want to describe everything because you said everything is your favorite. Okay, very good. So would you like to work in a restaurant? If you like, what's the reason? If you don't like, and you give me the reason.
No, because I am a housewife and at home baker.
Yes, you are a housewife and you don't want to work at a restaurant. Okay, that's the right answer. And do you like spicy food? If you like, give me the reason, an example.
Yes, I like, but no reason. Like all the spicy food.
Haha. You like all the spicy food. Okay, how can you get children to eat less candy and more healthy food? How will you ask your children to don't eat this type of food, please eat this type of food? How will you tell them?
I didn't buy sweets normally.
Huh.
I have been told that when out is unhealthy and that home cooked meals are good habits.
Ah, very good. So are they listening to you?
Yes.
Yes. So if they ask you and struggle just forcing you about the candies, what will you do?
Sometime I bought,
Huh.
but not every time.
Not every time.
Then you
Ah.
don't have competition.
Okay, that's a right answer. Okay, that's a nice answer. Okay, very good, Fazla. You have performed well. I really like your answers. Very good. Thank you. Okay, fast food. The topic is about the fast food. Okay, Shifana, just answer me. What is a fast food?
Fast food can make immediately. No time waste and quickly can make that.
Very good. The fast food which we can make immediately. Which or that relative pronoun should be added there. So the fast food which we can make immediately, or that we can make immediately without wasting time and not time consuming. Very good. That's the right answer. Which fast food restaurant do you not like? Why?
It's for the noodles. It's not digesting, I think. So.
No, you don't like noodles. Noodles?
Noodles, I think the digesting problem. No, immediately it's not
Digesting. It takes time, so you don't like it. Okay. Do you think most of your classmates like fast food? Why? Why not? Do you feel like that everyone loves fast food? What's the reason for that?
The reason is working time is not good. So
Very less, yeah.
immediately
Cooking time is very less. Yeah.
Recently, roti, atta roti.
Yeah. Atta roti, yeah.
Fast food.
Yeah.
And everyone likes it. I don't buy any fast foods or anything. I just make the home food.
That's the easiest one to make. Yeah. Yeah. Why these days? Yeah, everybody loves fast food because it's not time consuming one. People can make quickly. Why the foreigners also, actually they are the food of foreigners. Why they prefer? Because they do not want to spend hours and hours in the kitchen like us. When we want to make biryani, just imagine we want to spend more than 3 to 5 hours. So that means it's a hell of time consuming one. They don't want to spend like us. So they want to quickly make it. They want to quickly go out. They want to spend their time for learning and earning and innovating. இந்த மூணு விஷயத்துக்காக தான் அவங்க டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. But we people, unfortunately, we are spending our entire life in the kitchen. Rather, what do you call, cultivating the time for an innovative work or anything beneficial. No, we are spending more time at the kitchen. Right, Shifana, I'll ask the other question. Are there any fast food restaurants near your house?
Tell again, please.
Are there any fast food restaurants near your house?
Fast food restaurants have so many restaurants near my house, but we not go there.
Okay, you don't go there. Okay. Are you going to eat at a fast food restaurant soon? Are you gonna eat somewhere else?
No, recently we are not go.
No, you are not gonna go. Okay. So why do so many people eat fast food? Oh, you informed the answer prior, because less time consuming and it's very tastier because added with mayonnaise and cheese, flavorful. Okay, Shifana, all your answers are right and I really like it. You are the student of batch 3 or batch 4?
I am batch 3.
Batch 3, very good. Okay, right, it's really interesting. Okay, then I'm gonna move forward to Anusha. Why do so many people eat fast food?
Because it's very tasty and we can cook very quickly. Prepare the food is very quickly. We can spend less time to the fast food.
Yeah, that's
the reason most of the people are eating and
preferring. Very good. Which is better, McDonald's or KFC? Why?
KFC. I don't like McDonald's one because their chicken nuggets is not real. Sometimes I feel it's just like a flour. You just fry the flour and give it something. No chicken pieces or nothing.
That's true, because the chicken piece is very smaller, but this thing what they added flour item is very thicker. No,
I
Yeah.
don't like their burgers also. I don't like McDonald's
Yeah,
burgers.
nothing is there. Actually, nothing is there. We can go to the normal restaurants and we order. That is tastier than them. Yeah. Yeah.
KFC is fine.
Mm.
KFC is so quietly okay. The taste, everything is good, but McDonald's one is not good.
Yeah, and the KFC chicken are very bigger. Sometime when you take the not the drumsticks, the other one when you take the big buckets, very huge piece of chicken, and you don't feel like only the topper part is tastier. While when you are digging the inner part, oh, I don't prefer like some are cooked, some are undercooked, and not tasty at all. Okay,
Yeah.
right. Yeah, that's good. Can you think of 10 restaurants? Oh, I don't want to answer. I don't want to give the answer. Just talking about the restaurants' names are irrelevant. And here it is raining. Is it raining over there? Yeah. Do you like?
Little bit.
Yeah. Do you like Coca-Cola? Why? Why not Coke?
I like Coca-Cola when I am in UK. I like, but here in Sri Lanka, it's like a coffee shop.
Exactly. Where you lived in UK?
Yeah, I
How-
lived in UK in 5 years, so I like the Coca-Cola. Daily I'm drinking cherry Coke, and there are different types of
Yeah,
Coca-Cola
they're
as well, so I
tastier,
like
right?
it.
It's really
But here,
tasty.
when I came here and I drink something, it's like a coffee shop.
Yeah, tasteless. But you were at UK for 5 years, so you could have managed with those people in English, right? How did you manage?
But there was here only I was speaking in English. There I will speak in English because in there that people don't laugh when we are speak something or we didn't understand. They will explain us.
Ha. Okay, right. But
Patiently they will explain. If I
uh-huh.
don't know something, if I ask pardon and ask,
Yeah.
they will explain it very nicely and they will talk at it.
Ha. But here only you are facing. That's true.
They are very shy. I'm shy because
Yeah, and out
sometimes
of
if they
touch.
laugh,
So
they
when you
laugh.
were at UK, somewhat you managed and you spoke with everyone, right, in English.
Yeah.
But here
Over the phone I can't.
Uh-huh.
Over the phone I'm not talking. But face to
directly.
face I can talk.
Okay. So what is the reason of learning again?
Can't understand what, but their pronunciation is too different when we are
Than us.
talking over the phone.
Yeah.
The pronunciation
Yeah, you
is
cannot
different.
understand. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But in UK there are not only the UK people, no, there are other countries people also there now. So all are different. So they can
Pronunciation.
understand our English.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It's
I
really.
can't talk with the Chinese people only because they are
Yeah,
cheap.
it's really hard. Yeah, really hard.
Chinese language.
Yeah. And very interesting to know about your matters, and the way you respond is also really good. And I'm really happy. Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. You answered well, Anusha. Really interesting. Okay. So
Thank
see,
you.
when we are talking with each other, how we are getting to know, how we are sharing the matters. This is the matter. Until she says about UK, I have no idea about her. But when she says, it's interesting. She is answering, and that is not prepared questions, and she is answering. So it's really nice. Okay, I am gonna ask from